up, everyone? Today we're going to be making essential oil Play-doh.
This is an example of the Play-doh.
So what you're going to need is you're going to need flour, salt, table salt, sea salt, whatever you want. For the tools you're going to need a mixing tool, which I'm using a spoon. You're going to need 1 cup and half a cup. Also, you're going to need water. And to do it, you're going to need a large mixing bowl. And then you're going to put 1 cup of flour in here. You're going to need half a cup of salt. And then you're going to gradually stir in half a cup of water. So you gradually stir in water. Now if your Play-Doh is too sticky, you just gradually put in flour, which I like to just put my hand in the bag, grab flour, then drop it so my hand's covered with flour, then just play with the putty or the Play-Doh in your hand. If your Play-Doh is too dry and crumbly like this, you just add more water. Okay, you can put oils in yours, because we are in doTERRA, but Serenity is what I like to put in, is because it's calming and it's good for like sleep and everything, and anxiety. Adaptive, because it makes you adapt to everything. It's calming and relaxing to smell. And Wild Orange, because it's a happy oil and I like the smell of it. You can also add color if you want, but I just don't have color, so we're not gonna put that in. But right as you can see here, this Play-Doh is very sticky. So you're just gonna add flour. Example.
So 3 simple ingredients.
Yes.
Salt, white flour,
and water.
Water, and your essential oils of choice. No chemicals, just oils. Great for when we're at home stuck. Great for March break. Great if you work in a setting of like daycare or where you're looking for activities for kids and you want to add the essential oil component.
Yes.
Awesome.
And if you get stressed a lot or something, you should put like lavender or Serenity in it. And also I know like there's therapy slime and putty, so that's sort of why I made it. Okay, so this is the finished product after you've mixed in all the ingredients and it's the texture and like feel you want. So you're gonna take it out of the bowl. Oops. You're going to put it in like a bowl shape. And then you're gonna add 2 to 3 drops of whatever you want. Adaptive. So Sierra's gonna put in adaptive. So you're gonna put in 2 to 3 drops and whatever oil you want. Those are our suggestions. And then you're just going to like bring it in, like bring in the sides slowly so that it doesn't like squirt out. And then you're just gonna play with it like you generally would with Play-Doh or slime. And then if that's like the smell and how much you want, then there's your Play-Doh. And then you can also do the same thing, make a bowl and add the color. And then it also makes your hands really soft once you wash off all the Play-Doh. So here's how to make essential oil Play-Doh. Thank you for watching.
Bye!